To turn on the NuWave PIC Flex Pro, first connect the plug into a power source. The unit will beep once it has been plugged in. Tap the power button to turn the unit on, and tap the same button to turn it off. To begin induction heating, tap the Start Pause button, and the unit will start running, indicated by the flashing colons. If at any point while cooking you would like to temporarily stop induction heating without changing your cook settings, tap the Start Pause button again. The device works exclusively with induction-ready cookware, so you'll want to be sure you have a compatible piece of cookware to place on the surface of the unit. To check if your cookware is compatible, simply use a magnet. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of your cookware, it is compatible with the device. The unit can automatically detect if there is a compatible piece of cookware on the surface. If you try to start the device without a compatible piece of cookware on top, the unit will not run and instead display a pot error. If a piece of cookware is placed back on the surface within 10 seconds of the error, the unit will automatically resume induction heating to the selected settings. If a piece of cookware is placed back on after the 3 beeps that occur 10 seconds from the error, then tap Start Pause to resume the cook. If no cookware is placed on the unit after 60 seconds from the error, the unit will automatically shut off. The PIC Flex Pro comes with 6 temperature presets. The Sear button sets the temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, high at 425 degrees, medium high at 375 degrees, medium at 275 degrees, medium low at 175 degrees, and low at 100 degrees. To change your cook temperature, tap a preset and then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature in 5-degree increments. You can press and hold the plus or minus buttons for a faster adjustment. LED lights will simultaneously display on 2 presets if the temperature is in between them. You can select a cook temperature as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit up to as high as 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Tap the time button to set the timer. While the number is flashing, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the digit of the timer. Tap the time button to toggle between the minute and hour digits of the timer. When the number stops flashing, the timer is set. Tap the Start button to begin heating the cookware to the selected temperature and time. The maximum time the unit can cook for is 99 hours and 59 minutes. When the timer hits 0, the device will automatically shut off. Out of the box, the default cook temperature is set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To change the default temperature, set the device to your desired temperature and then press and hold the Start Pause button until 2 beeps are heard. When the unit is powered off and on, your new default settings will be set. Wattage control offers versatile benefits tailored to different settings. Tap the Watts button to toggle the wattage of the unit indicated by an LED light. You can select 600 watts for campers, RVs, boats, and dorms, 900 watts for smaller kitchens and apartments, or 1400 watts for maximum power and efficient cooking. The device includes a stage cooking function for up to 3 stages. To set up stage cooking, press the Stage button and Stage 1 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for Stage 1. Press the Stage button again and Stage 2 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for Stage 2. Press the Stage button again and Stage 3 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for Stage 3. Any stage with a timer set to 0 hours and 0 minutes will automatically be skipped. Tap the Start/Pause button, and the unit will start running via stage 1 first, and then automatically switch to the next stage. After the final stage, the device will shut off. To mute the device, press and hold the low button until 2 beeps are heard. The buttons are now muted. To unmute, press and hold the low button again until 2 beeps are heard. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the display, press and hold the medium-high button until 2 beeps are heard. In Celsius, the plus and minus buttons will adjust the temperature in 1-degree increments. The device includes a lock feature designed for both safety and convenience. To lock the keypad, press and hold the stage and medium buttons at the same time until 2 beeps are heard and lock is shown on the display. All buttons on the control panel will be locked except for the power button. To unlock the keypad, tap the power button off and on again, or press and hold the stage and medium buttons at the same time. When the unit is on standby, the lock function will help prevent accidentally starting induction heating, acting as a safety measure to help prevent accidents and reduce the risk of potential fires or injuries. When the device is actively heating, the lock function will help prevent accidental changes to your settings while cooking and provide an added layer of safety. If there is an immediate need to shut off the unit while it is both cooking and locked, tap the power button to shut it off.
NuWave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.